Saying earlier, I'm surprised she wasn't already in the Hall of Fame.
Yeah, you would think she was, just, based off her popularity and how iconic she is. Very humble lady there. 20s here for this morning to start your day, really from Douglas County all the way up into Larimer County. It's pretty uniform, mid-20s for the most part. We do have 19 in Roxborough Park, 11 in Elizabeth, at 17 in Blackhawk this morning. 25, our weather watcher Shelby Majors on the northwest side of Fort Collins. There is the storm from yesterday. Some severe storms this morning in Alabama, a little snow on the backside in parts of Kansas, Missouri, Iowa, and southeastern Nebraska. Here at home, we are mostly clear, but there's a little bit of cloud cover out here on the western slope, and that is going to work across the state over the course of today. So some mid and high level clouds will filter through. We stay dry. It's just a little bit of cloud cover passing by. In Denver, I think we'll see most of that through the afternoon and early evening. Then tonight we go back over to clear skies. Then the attention will be on this. It's a storm currently in the northern Pacific Ocean. It'll be moving to the southeast over the course of the weekend, and then it will begin a track to the east early next week. The exact path is still uncertain, but it does have the possibility to bring us another round of rain and mostly snow here to the Front Range by early next week, along with much colder temperatures. Today, if you live downtown Denver and points to the north, you should easily get into the 50s. The snow is a little bit deeper on the east and southeast side of town, so we'll probably just be in the upper 40s there, 30s and 40s in the adjacent foothills for high temperatures today. Tomorrow, 58, lots of sunshine, 65 on Sunday. Washing that car or truck or van will be tempting this weekend, but that might stop you right there. Early next week, Mackenzie and Dominic, the next storm comes into view sometime early Monday with much colder air and a chance for snow.
I feel like I have to keep putting that off, the car wash.
I know.
I just never know.
Eventually, we're going to have to just pull the plug and do it.
Right. All right. Thanks, Chris.